Hi, I'm creating this video to capture myself attempting to program these aftermarket transponder keys for my 2009 Chevy Impala. When I purchased the car back in July from an elderly relative after her husband passed, this was her husband's car. She did not know where he would have placed the extra key. So I only had one key and one remote. I ordered a remote last year, shortly after purchasing the car, an aftermarket remote off of Amazon, and was able to easily program it using the on-dash programming in the car. So I just recently, in December 2022, ordered these two replacements transponders keys, also through Amazon, from this keyless to go company. And they were uncut. Both keys were uncut, and it was only $12.95 plus tax for the two keys total. And I took them to a local Home Depot yesterday, which would have been January 4th. Yeah, January 4th. And I took the key in, went to the section where the key cutting machine is, asked the gentleman if they were able to cut the key. And he pulled off he put something in the machine, like keyed something in, and because he needed to scan one of their keys. And he got the right key. He scanned the barcode on that regular key because it wasn't a transponder key. And then he put my key in one slot on the right side, and I guess it took a digital image of it. And then he put the key that I gave him, one of these keys, into another slot, and the key cut within like seconds, like I would say less than 60 seconds. And so since I had two, I wasn't going to get both of them cut right then, just in case the machine messed up the key, because I had read some reviews about those key cutting machines at Home Depot and Walmart and Lowe's messing up keys. So he allowed me to go out to my car so that I can take the newly cut key to test it to make sure it opened the door. It did. And then I also put it in the ignition to make sure it turned. And of course, when I put it in the ignition and then try to actually turn it on, there was some warning code. So I'll demonstrate what that does when you put it in the ignition and try to turn it on. Okay. Let's see here. So you see, it puts it into the auxiliary, and then service that's deterrent system comes on. So, whoops, no music. So I'm gonna now try to program it based upon what I'd learned in a YouTube video. It says I'm to take my original key. Here's the ignition. Here it is. Put it in, then turn it on for 5 seconds. Take it out, then hurry up and put the new one in. For 5 seconds. And then I got to put the other one in because you got to do them all in succession. Okay, so now this is the first one I did. I'm going to put it in and we're going to see if it turns the car on. And there you go. There you go. I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I was not going to no dealership paying no hundreds of dollars for no keys. And I always want to have an extra key. So, see, that's one of the new keys. Okay, I'm going to take that one out and see the second one I did just to make sure they both work. And there you go. Oh, how easily excited I am about things when it comes to saving money. Oh, I love it. Excellent. Excellent, excellent. So there you go. There you go. Perfect. So I'll put the other remote on, put this on the key ring with the other remote, and then one I'll just keep as an extra in my purse in case I ever, lock my keys in the car accidentally, or when I take the car to get serviced, then I can just give them that key. Yeah, so very good. That was very simple. So that cost me. Oh, and I forgot to mention that after the man cut both my keys at Home Depot, and I asked him what the key cutting cost, he told me to just go on about the rest of my day. He didn't charge me for anything, and so he got a hug from me. I asked him if I can hug him. I love acts of kindness. So yeah, I took it to Home Depot and they cut my keys for free. I don't know if they will do that at every Home Depot. Some places I read online that they won't cut keys that you did not purchase from them. But maybe it's because this particular Home Depot, they didn't even sell transponder keys. So there was nothing for me to buy from them if I wanted a transponder key. Happy New Year. Bye.